In this video, I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Logitech K380 keyboard, which I bought it from Amazon. So the best buy link is provided in the description box below. So this is Tejas here and you're watching TP Tech. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is how it was shipped to me by Amazon. And packaging is good, but sadly bubble wrapping is not provided anywhere inside the box. So as soon as you open the box, you will be greeted with an invoice copy. Inside the box, there is another box present, and you can pause the video anywhere if you want to read any details present on the packaging. Some instruction manual for us to ignore. So the keyboard is very small and compact and looks awesome. So my first impression about this keyboard is neutral, and if you want a comprehensive review regarding this keyboard, you can just comment down below. The typing experience is also far good. Keystrokes are smooth and feels like I'm typing on a membrane and a premium keyboard. Keystrokes are not completely silent but also does not produce as much noise either. Therefore, pairing is also easy. First, remove this plastic seal, and then there is an on-off switch present on the side. So switch it on, then you can see these three highlighted yellow buttons. Long press any one of the button till you see LED blinking. Then just go to your device Bluetooth settings and search and connect to this keyboard. And as soon as you are connected, you will need to enter a password. The password is prompted on the screen. And after entering the password, press enter. And this is how you can connect this keyboard simultaneously to two other devices. So people, that's it for now. If you have any suggestions, doubt, query, then just comment down below. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching, and now let's roll out the outro.